file 52373.
All right, I want to thank the attorneys for their time. Our bench conference just addressed mainly two issues, which is whether or not this court should continue to maintain jurisdiction, given that Ethan has been in Ingham County for quite a long period of time at this point, as well as the fact that we would be requiring our current guardian to travel up there to meet her obligations, as well as I understand it, neither Mr. McFarland nor Ms. Berger has any objection to the change. And so I've asked Mr. Rothman to simply inquire of our current guardian what her position is. He seemed to express that he was comfortable with that. Is that accurate, Mr. Rothman?
Yes, Your Honor, it is. Ms.
Okay.
Cates, can you hear me? Well, I guess she would need to be sworn, Judge.
Yes. Yes, Ms. Tasha Cates, please.
Ms. Case, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Ms. Cates, are you okay with the judge modifying the guardianship to appoint someone who is in Ingham County, which is where Ethan is now, and also changing the this case from Lenawee up to Eaton County, which would be easier for you in any event, I assume?
Yes, I actually was in the middle of doing that when I received this court hearing.
Okay, so you don't have any objection to the relief sought in the petition today, correct?
No.
Okay, thank you. Nothing further.
Any questions for Ms. Cates?
None.
Ms. Berger?
None, Your Honor. Thank you.
Good. All right. Anything else then for the record today, Mr. Rothman?
No, Your Honor, we rest.
Mr. McFarland?
Well, not just a closing remark, Your Honor.
Go ahead whenever you're ready.
I'm just concerned when we transfer this, what the time frame might be. If there's any needs that he might need, I would ask the guardian to see if he might need any clothing or anything in the interim until the other courts take over. I would encourage her to do that. Thank you.
Very good. Ms. Berger, I have your report. I look forward to any comments, or if you'd like us to hear from anybody else, let me know.
Thank you, Judge. I would just reiterate a lot of things that are in my report. The care facility is expressing a lot of concerns and I guess frustrations with the current guardian's ability to act as a fiduciary and in the best interest of Ethan. I've been Ethan's guardian several times now. I think this is the third round. So I'm well aware of his ability to communicate and the way he interacts with the individuals in his life. He is well bonded to some of the nursing staff there and does have a way of communication with them. So that's a positive that he is in a facility that is able to best care for him. However, he is in a senior care facility and he doesn't get much interaction with peers in his own, age range or ability. And I think that because one of the barriers was enrolling him in school, that it is appropriate to grant a petition so the new guardian can do that and get him some socialization that he needs.
Thank you. So Mr. Rothman, I just want to confirm, because I've heard Ingham County several times, but then the last bit, I think you might have said a different county. So if you need to check with one of your witnesses, what county technically is Ethan in as a result of Holt Senior?
He's definitely in Ingham County. You probably heard me mention Eaton County with respect to where Ms. Berman's agency also has been appointed, but it's definitely Ingham County on Kalamazoo Street in downtown Lansing.
All right. Well, you've got a great probate judge up there too. So
yes,
I do find that, thank you. They'll be well taken care of up there as far as judicial oversight. And I do find also all interested parties were given notice for purposes of today's request to modify. The request is uncontested and does appear to be in the best interest of Ethan, frankly, who does continue to be in need of a full guardian for the reasons found by the court in the original petition. And that was reconfirmed today by the presentation of an affidavit that's by a doctor or a professional who sees Ethan on a regular basis and is qualified to confirm that. So For that reason, and the reason that it is perhaps a bit inequitable to ask Ms. Cates to go all the way to Ingham County on a regular basis, in addition to those hardships that it presents for Ethan to ask a guardian to travel that far, and the fallout that's happening as a result of that. It will be the order of the court that Natasha Cates is permitted to resign as plenary guardian, and Anita Berman, who is from the Guardian Assistance of Michigan Incorporated, will be appointed the successor plenary guardian. I believe we already have an acceptance from her. Yes, we do. So that is an appointment that's effective immediately. It will also include an order based on the testimony that I've heard today to transfer the case to the Ingham County Probate Court. So we won't be seeing Ethan again in the near future unless something comes up in the hands of Ingham County. So best of luck to you. Thank you, everyone from the facility that does such good things for Ethan, and for everyone who came today. Unless there's any questions, that's all for this morning.
No, thank you for your time this morning, Judge. Appreciate it.